Hey everybody, thanks for clicking on the video. Today I wanted to go through and show a rock that we have been tumbling for a really long time. Could not get this thing to tumble, and how we finally got it to shine. Mel's dad found it in his garden and we didn't know if it was going to polish or not. Unfortunately, this is the only picture we got of the rock before we started. Should we read the instructions?
No.
Yeah. So we tumbled it with some 60-90 grit. When it came out, we had some progress on it, but it had a lot of cracks and bumps to get rid of.
Mm-hmm. Not bad for what
he was like, oh, this is dumb. It's not going to do anything.
Is that what my dad sounded like?
No, I don't even have an impression for your dad.
Just stop.
I know, it's when you're trying to do an impression of the nicest guy on the planet and you just don't have anything for it.
So we tumbled it again with another roughing stage.
Been 2 weeks and it is time to check.
Pretty much the same results. This rock was just super hard, was not really grinding down very well. So we throw it back in again, check it again. Pretty much the same results, a little bit smoother every single time. And this went on for about 6 months or so, where we just kept tumbling it, trying to get rid of these bumps. And we didn't have any tools like grinders or cabbing machines or anything like that yet. We just had the tumbler. So we kept going, hoping that it would start to shine. But all of those bumps and little divots and dents started turning into cracks. So we finally just pretty much figured that this thing was gonna be scrap. All of the cracks kept getting more defined, and as hard as this rock was, it was actually pretty brittle. But luckily, we stumbled across a local gem and mineralogical society. They've got all the tools that you can go in and try and use. Mel became an expert on the cabbing machine real quick. What do you think?
Fun.
And we ended up with something that was really nice. I was surprised at the details and the patterns and everything that was in this. So I think it just goes to show you don't have to spend your whole paycheck on a bunch of fancy rocks. 9 times out of 10, the rocks we use are garbage, but we get really cool results out of them. My favorite part of this whole thing was being able to give this back to Mel's parents and see their reaction.
Oh my hell, it's our beautiful rock. Oh my God.
Oh my God, that is so
God,
pretty.
that is absolutely beautiful.
Holy
Oh
crap.
my hell. Thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
thank you.
That is absolutely beautiful. Look at that.
That is
That's
beautiful.
right there. Who the hell would have thunk?
So pretty.
Wow.
So if there's one thing that I've learned from trying to rock polish and cut rocks and tumble them and shine them, is that you really have to be patient. Just because you screw it up the first time doesn't mean the rock's ruined. Unless you ruin the rock, which does happen. But luckily there's more rocks out there. The Earth's made of them. So keep trying, keep experimenting with stuff. Eventually you're gonna get something cool that you're happy with, and that's a pretty good feeling. So thanks for watching. I hope we'll see you again soon.